Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1969 Camaro RS 350 turbo, power disc brakes, power steering, factory air, factory power windows. Just nice restoration, rotisserie restoration. Numbers matching transmission and engine. Just a nice car. Silver white car, blue interior. It's actually a really good color combination. I don't think I've ever seen a white car with black stripes, with blue interior, at least not for a long time, but definitely a good looking. Everybody loves the hideaway headlights. You'll find about 75 to 100 pictures when we're done at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Leave your feedback, any comments down in the comment section. Love to hear from you. Just a nice car. Good running car. Great color combination. Then fly into Lambert, St. Louis International. They're one and the same. More than happy to pick you up. We'll put it up on the rack. Take it for a drive, make sure it's for a good fit. Cold again. Dash is in good shape. Door jams are good. If you'd like to pick up the phone, my name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any questions you've got. At least try to answer them. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. And you'll find 75 to 100 pictures, detailed pictures. Underneath of this car is fantastic. 12 bolt, again, power disc brakes, power steering, tilt wheel, power windows. Pretty loaded up car. Factory air. I really don't know what all, probably maybe a few little light accessories or something, but as far as your main options, just pretty much checks it all. Be ready for the warm weather. do have a little squealing belt we'll need to address on this. Not a big deal. Again, 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Flying to Lambert. St. Louis International, one and the same. Good, strong running car. We have 3 warehouses worth of cars, trucks, SUVs. We're happy to put it up on a lift, take it out for a test drive, make sure it's a good fit for you. You do not need all the money. We have fantastic financing, numerous companies that we use, great terms, great rates. Usually it's 10% range, and get that done in a matter of days, sometimes the same day. Again, www.westportautocenter.com, 314-346-6039, 1969 Camaro RS, Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. Thanks for watching.